Hi everyone, in this we will learn how to use tables in Excel sheet. So this is the data which I have with the name, building, department, status. I'll select all this data and page down, and you can go to insert and table. It will automatically select all the table and you can go. Okay. Now this is the table. It has filter. You can filter it. Suppose if you want to filter A1, okay, it will filter that. So this is the very other things which you can do is you go to design. Now you see, if you want to remove filters, you can click on this, you can remove filters. If you want, like this is branded by row, if you want branded by column, you can brand by column also. Now you see these are different formats which you can use. You see a lot of formats which you can use. Similarly for rows also, there are a lot of formats which you can use. Now one very handy function is slicer. Now when you click on slicer, suppose I want the slicer by building and by status. And I click OK. Now you have these two slicers which you can arrange. Now the main function provides it like it can help in filtering very fast. Like if I want only contract employees, I can press on only contracts, and if I want only West contract employees, I can write West, only West contract employees. I can remove the filter. Okay, North contract. So this is very the slicer is very helpful in filtering. That's all. Thank you.